Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing the new car here. My wife's Cruze was rear-ended and totaled, unfortunately, so this is her new car. This is a 2026 Honda Prologue. It's the Elite model, all-wheel drive, all the bells and whistles on it. Completely electric, gets about 285 miles per charge, and it's actually not bad. The inside of it, very nice interior, and it's got the moonroof that goes all the way back right there. It's got the two screens right here. This is pretty much a rebadged Blazer, but with Honda's body, you know, and their software and everything on here. But the nice thing is it does have Apple CarPlay, which is much nicer than the Blazer. So it's got the wireless charger down there that you can just drop your phone into the center console and it'll charge. And then again, the seats, really nice seats, leather. It's got AC, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the heads-up display, and even the back seat is actually very spacious here. So yeah, never thought we'd have an electric car on the channel here, but we do. Right now there's not a lot to do to it. There's a couple things I'll be showing you guys here on this, but overall, yeah, pretty excited to show it on here. And any mods or any changes that we do, of course, we'll be showing that. And if there's any issues with this, of course, we'll definitely let you guys know. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys the new car. Hope you guys looking forward to some EV content, and let me know what you think.